What's going on, guys? Zeddy at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to use picture-in-picture on iOS 14. All right, so this is one of my favorite new features on iOS 14. I don't know why it took Apple so long, to come out with something like this. Now, between picture-in-picture, I wish there was a split screen option, but there still isn't. But basically the way this works is, you can load up some Netflix and, if you're watching some video on here, I'm going to show you basically how it works, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I think I'm going to throw up some of this, maybe Castlevania. Been watching this stupid series so much. All right, anyways, when you're watching Netflix and then you go to minimize it or, exit out of it, it's automatically going to put a picture-in-picture option for you where you can drag it to both the bottom and top of your screen. Now, what's cool about this is you can do other things while you're watching the video, and it just lets you multitask to do, two things at once. So if you wanted to open it back up, you could obviously open it back up into the full screen option right there. And this also works with Disney Plus. I've been having some issues running YouTube videos with it right now, but since this is still kind of in beta, I imagine they're going to fix it and it'll start to work with, basically everything. But let's throw up some Avatar on here. We'll check out Avatar just to show you it works on Disney Plus as well. I got to tell you, it's just really cool. You know what I'm saying? So, this is a feature that's been on Android and Samsung phones for so long. So it's nice to see Apple throw this on iOS 14. Okay, anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed this. Obviously, if you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.